Ano ba ito? Abaniko.
Ano yan? Ang daming kahon. Oh,
Wee! Yee!
Uh,
You're looking for your phone? I have it.
oh. Marami binili. Thank you. Thanks.
kahit late, I cannot find what's good for
Lalagyan
you.
pa lang.
Hindi ako sanay sa ganito. Thank you, Dad. Thank you. Ito na naman yung sakto nung ako'y nag-ano. Nung ako'y bumili ng LV.
Small diamond.
Ah, okay.
But this is like, well, with Swarovski stone, we have
this one also is sort of
Yes. But this one, it has diamond, but
Yan, maganda yung heart.
want like this or you want the
This one is nice.
Yeah. So let me show you the box of it so you can take an idea. You can try this, or this is also very nice one. Inside only the perfume. Hot diamond,
this one?
crafted with love, and inside you can see it's also 925 sterling silver and with natural gemstone, natural
For this one?
yeah, the diamond.
This one for this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is
That's nice, no? This is gold plated. And the gold plated, yeah. For change. I know.
I feel
Like me.
I make braces like loose like this.
Mhm.
Because if I put, it's going to.
Mm-mm.
And I'm still the same. Sometimes I use my hand. But you know, that's
I
like
know.
too young. Like this.
Or I have better idea.
Okay. Yay.
Wow, crafted with love. Hot diamonds, crafted with love. From Daddy with
Okay.
love.
With any medal, then you'll get me. Okay, finished.
It's in my...
I wear this one. So I wear this.